You are watching Shoaib Views channel, and today's topic in Power Plant Basic Operator course on firefighter and firefighting equipment. Firefighting is a critical emergency response aimed at protecting lives, property, and the environment from fires. Firefighters are trained professionals skilled in techniques to combat and extinguish blazes. The occupation requires courage, skill, and precision, relying on various tools and equipment. The firefighting process begins with the rapid mobilization of firefighters to the fire site, requiring immediate assessment upon arrival. Firefighters identify the fire type, evaluate its severity, and determine the optimal approach to contain and eliminate it, using strategies like direct attack and containment. Firefighters use various equipment categories, each serving distinct functions. Protective gear, including helmets, fire-resistant clothing, gloves, boots, and breathing apparatus, is essential for protection from extreme heat, flames, smoke, and other hazardous conditions. Fire hoses are fundamental tools used to deliver water or fire-retardant chemicals to the burning area. Operating under high pressure, these hoses can reach distant fires, allowing firefighters to combat flames from safe positions. When water is insufficient, firefighters use extinguishers with foam, dry powder, or CO2, tailored to specific fires like electrical, grease, or chemical blazes. Ladders and axes help navigate buildings and access hard-to-reach areas for rescues and fire examination. Ventilation fans and smoke ejectors clear spaces of smoke, enhancing visibility and air quality, improving safety for firefighters and trapped individuals. Effective communication systems, including radios, are vital for coordinating efforts and conveying crucial information. Advanced technology enhances firefighting capabilities, with innovations like thermal imaging cameras aiding in locating individuals and identifying hidden fire sources through heat detection. Firefighting combines skill, strategy, and equipment to save lives and mitigate fire damage. The firefighting pumps are the source of carrying water from the water tanks to the pipes. The centrifugal pumps are used for this purpose. Centrifugal pumps perform excellently. The capacity of the firefighting pumps depends upon the building. There are 3 types of firefighting equipment. The vehicles which are designed for firefighting are called firefighting apparatus. These vehicles are designed differently according to the cases in which they will be used. Firefighting apparatus can give firefighting services as well as the emergency medical services. Fire alarm system, smoke detector, heat detector, some of fire equipments, fire suppression system, fire extinguishers, fire hydrant, fire hose reel, fire bucket, fire doors. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like this video, kindly like and share it. If you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and follow my channel and press bell icon for more informational videos.